Hi! In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this smartphone. You need to start by going into Settings. Now scroll down and click on Password, Fingerprint and Face Unlock. Then select Face Recognition and enter your current local method. After that, read the disclaimer, choose Continue, and remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can adjust all of those Face Unlock settings however you wish to, and when you're ready, choose Home button. As you can see now, when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!